Ever felt like you're constantly initiating, constantly reaching out, constantly putting in all the effort in the dating game? Like you're always the one chasing? What if I told you there's a way to flip the script, to become the pursued rather than the pursuer? This isn't about manipulation or playing games. It's about cultivating qualities that naturally attract women, creating a dynamic where she's drawn to you, eager to connect. This video will reveal 8 secrets to achieve just that. These aren't tired pickup artist tricks. These are fundamental shifts in mindset and behavior that will make you genuinely more attractive. Keep watching until the end, and you'll discover how to become the kind of man women can't help but chase. The first secret lies in focusing on your own life. Think of your life as a movie. Are you the star of your own film, or just a supporting character in someone else's? Women are drawn to men who have purpose, passion, and direction. They are attracted to men who are already leading fulfilling lives. If your life revolves around waiting for a woman to enter it, you're sending the message that your life is incomplete without her. This is not attractive. Instead, invest in your hobbies, your career, your friendships, and your personal growth. Pursue your passions with vigor. If you're passionate about photography, join a photography club, go on photo walks, and build a portfolio. If you're into fitness, set fitness goals, hit the gym regularly, and track your progress. A man who is actively engaged in his own life is far more compelling than one who is simply waiting for something to happen. The second secret is cultivating genuine confidence. Confidence is not arrogance. It's a quiet self-assurance that comes from knowing your worth. It's not about boasting or putting others down. It's about believing in your abilities and accepting your flaws. A confident man walks with his head held high, makes eye contact, and speaks clearly and respectfully. He is not afraid to express his opinions, but he is also open to hearing others. A lack of confidence, on the other hand, can be easily sensed and is a significant turnoff. Imagine 2 painters. One is hesitant, unsure of every stroke, constantly second-guessing himself. The other is decisive, confident in his vision, and executes his brushstrokes with purpose. Which painting is more likely to be captivating? The same principle applies to human interaction. The third secret is developing strong social skills. Being able to connect with people effortlessly is a highly attractive trait. It's about being able to hold a conversation, listen actively, and make others feel comfortable in your presence. It's about being able to read social cues and respond appropriately. This is a skill that can be learned and improved with practice. Start by focusing on active listening. When someone is speaking, truly listen to what they are saying, rather than just waiting for your turn to talk. Ask follow-up questions and show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. This will make them feel heard and valued, which is a powerful way to build connection. The fourth secret is mastering the art of playful teasing. This is a subtle way to create attraction and build rapport. It's about lighthearted banter, gentle jokes, and playful challenges. It shows that you're not taking yourself too seriously and that you have a sense of humor. However, it's important to be mindful of the line between playful teasing and being genuinely hurtful. The key is to keep it light, fun, and respectful. For example, if a woman tells you she's a terrible cook, you could playfully respond, "Oh, so I should pack a lunch then?" delivered with a smile. This is much more engaging than simply saying, "Oh, that's too bad." The fifth secret is being decisive. Indecisiveness is a major turnoff. Women are attracted to men who can take charge and make decisions. This doesn't mean being controlling or bossy. It means being able to confidently make choices, whether it's deciding where to go for dinner or planning a weekend getaway. If a woman asks you what you want to do for a date, don't respond with, "I don't know, what do you want to do?" Instead, suggest a few options and let her choose. This shows that you're thoughtful and proactive. The sixth secret is embracing your individuality. Don't try to be someone you're not, to impress someone else. Authenticity is incredibly attractive. It shows you are comfortable in your own skin and that you have the courage to be yourself. Think of it like a fingerprint. It's unique to you. Embrace your quirks, your interests, and your personality. It's what makes you stand out from the crowd. For instance, if you love playing board games or collecting vintage records, don't hide it. Share your passions with confidence. It's far more appealing than trying to fit into a mold. The seventh secret involves creating a sense of scarcity. This doesn't mean playing hard to get or being deliberately unavailable. It means having a full and fulfilling life outside of dating. When your time and attention are valuable, it makes you more desirable. It's like a limited edition item. Its scarcity makes it more appealing. For example, if you are constantly available at a woman's beck and call, it can inadvertently diminish your value. Having other commitments and interests shows that you have a life of your own. The eighth and final secret is being comfortable walking away. This is perhaps the most powerful secret of all. Being willing to walk away demonstrates that you value yourself and that you're not desperate for attention. It shows that you have options and that you're not afraid to be alone. Paradoxically, this is what makes women chase you. It creates a sense of scarcity and makes them realize that they could lose you. This doesn't mean playing games or being aloof. It simply means being comfortable with the possibility of things not working out. When you are genuinely comfortable with walking away, it changes the entire dynamic. You are no longer chasing, you are choosing, and that is incredibly attractive. By implementing these 8 secrets, you will shift from being the pursuer to the pursued, creating a dynamic where women are naturally drawn to you. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, a man of purpose, confidence, and substance. This is the key to making any woman chase you. So there you have it, guys. These are, in my opinion, the 8 most important secrets to you becoming the prize that women want to win. You being the one that is chased instead of always being the one who chases them. If you have any questions, remarks, or suggestions about this essential topic, leave them in the comments below. And if you found this episode helpful, please press the like and subscribe buttons. It helps our channel, version 2 point of view, and it guarantees that you'll be notified when our next video is out. I hope to see all of you again soon. Take care and goodbye for now.